Gintinguaan din namon before kamo maglakad sa palaro representing NIR and Bacolod City, may ngagaw ni tanay nga makakitaay. First, we all know that ang performance ninyo during the regional was beyond the comparison. Meaning you did your best, and we are also very, very hopeful that sa panabuton na palarong pambansa, you will do the same. Ang discussion at the start sa palarong pambansa is that nag-commit na ang Bacolod City sa Department of Education na instead nga ang DepEd will provide the support sa tanan ng mga athletes and coaches representing the NIR. We've decided na para makapulit sa delegation, ang City of Bacolod will take care of all the athletes coming from Bacolod City. Okay? So, para at least with whatever meager resources that the government has, pwede na lang sa iba ng mga athletes, kadriya ang alin sa atong sa Bacolod, ang syudad na ang bahala na mag-facilitate. No? But we ask them kung pwede ang uniform definitely should come from the Department of Education, even representing NIR. Okay? So, today, as part of the sports program of the government, we will be providing the support sa inyong paglangkad. We will be releasing in a while, ready nga, Sir Dance, we will be releasing the training allowance, as what we did during the regionals. So that's 300 pesos for 30 days. That's about 9,000 pesos per athlete. And then we will be providing playing allowance for 10 days. That's 4,000 pesos. And then we will also provide the food allowance, good for 12 days. That's about 7,200 pesos. So all in all, for those na athletes, ang live out, hindi niya makupod pala sa biliting na i-provide sa syudad. We do understand nga may iba na teams na may arak na yan, may place na, ang iba na nakuha na reservations or whatsoever. All in all, approximately about 30,000 per athlete ang aton nga i-release. Sumo. So for those naman na maupod sa biliting, nag-facilitate sa Department of Education, mga 20, more or less, about 20,000 plus ang ato naman nag-release sumo. And that includes all the 188 athletes coming from Bacolod City. 41 sa elementary, 147 sa secondary, kag 14 sa para games. Kag ang mga coaches hindi magproblema. Kay dalagid kamo. Coaches, assistant coaches, chaperone as well as the trainers. So meaning all in all, as part of the delegation, moving up to that, as well as may include man kita ng mga playing uniform, kag playing shoes for tatlo games, football, softball, and baseball. Boys. Okay? So we won't take much of your time, kaya kabalo ko ang ibang mga obligation pa. Basta ako ng commitment sa syudad, sa Bacolod sa inyo, na ara kami, patayon na magabubugin, kag mag-suporta sa inyong tanan, kag kabay pa na what you've been preparing for so many years, all out to na dito. Loka mo, sa competition, there's no such thing as replay mo. So yeah, at begin ka ninyong tanan-tanan. And last week, I had a meeting with the Philippine Sports Commission, and we already requested them initially three regional training centers na ibutang dari sa syudad sa Bacolod. No? Nagpangabay kami sila kung pwede, number one, Imoon nga regional training center ang Bacolod for baseball. Number two, archery, and number three, football. So we are just awaiting for their reply. And then once mag regional training center na ang Bacolod, definitely we can ask for more technical training, equipments, and iba pa ng mga support para dali sa aton sa syudad sa Bacolod. No? And may request man kami sa Philippine Sports Commission because for quite some time wala ang Bacolod sa iya kaugalingon na swimming pool. Usually what we do, dito ka sa Panaan or Puding Mandra. So nagambal lang sila na they are willing to partner with the city, will just provide sanduta sa Dennis at tingwaan nila na makautang sa pundo. And by October, matapos ng atong artificial football pitch sa Bacolod City National High School. So pwede na din yung magamit yung tanan. And ang atong Coliseum, which has a capacity of about 12,000, matapos naman siya by October. And by June 2 to 8, we will have the Siaba Under 18 women's qualifiers dari sa atong syudad sa Bacolod. Southeast Asia Basketball Association. So 5 countries will be here June 2 to 8 to compete para sa U18 qualifiers. And then December 12 to 18 will be the Batang Pinoy. This time ang Batang Pinoy balik nila na ang age would be from 8 years old to 15. Meaning 8 to 15 kaya para nila sa mga kabataan from the decision sa Philippine Sports Commission. Okay? So to everyone, God bless. We will be praying and cheering for all of you. Okay, to those, as we always do, para sa gold, silver, and bronze, pagbalik nyo, may nagamulat yapon sa inyo. Everyone, nag-abot din, salamat. We salute you, forgive you all, and we are proud sa inyong tanan-tanan na you will be representing the Negros Island region of which Bacolod City is part. Salamat din, mayong hapon din.